Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raja. So in the last video I have posted one scenario, and so this video, so I'm going to give solution for that like a video. And so let me explain this like a scenario one more time, and so it can be helpful for this like a new users. And let me explain this like a scenario. So generally we have subcategory wise like a sales. It's a bar chart. It is already sorted by this sales. And so generally the requirement is if you click on this like a bar, it should come this what subcategory we have clicked. So it should come on this text itself. So generally what we are aware of, right? And generally if you apply this like a filter, and if you add that like a field on the title itself, then based on the filter, and it shows the text itself. All the text, it should come on the title itself only. Now I have selected this like a axis, and now I can see this like a text axis wise like a sales. And if I select like a appliances, it should come like a appliances. And the same manner, like you can change this like a filter into this multi-value drop down. And now what happened, right? If you click on this multiple values, generally it will come along with this appliances comma art comma, so binders wise like a sales, like this. But the scenario is like a completely different. If I click on this like this particular data point, phones, the text should be whatever like highlighted, the data point should be enabled like in the text itself only. So this is the requirement. So let's open this like a new sheet, and I'll show you how to achieve this scenario. Let me use this subcategory. Let me create this the bar chart one more time, and I'll show you. So for this what I'm going to do is, right, so I'm going to use this parameter actions, and to enable this dynamic dynamic text here. So for this, let me create one so parameter. So just let me create a parameter here. So just give a parameter name subcategory, and here, so let me change this data type into this string, and so use this like a list option. Yeah, and I'm going to select this so I hope you guys aware of these two conditions. One is fixed. Fixed means nothing but it is a static value, it never get changed. But this is like a when workbook opens actually. So this is so even we can update these like a values based on certain conditions. So now I'm going to select this like a option when workbook like a opens, and you can select this like a subcategory. And I can see this like a list of items here in the parameters, and then click on OK. Now so the subcategory parameter is already there actually. So what I'm going to do is, right, and let me create a parameter actions with the help of sheet level. So I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to enable these actions at worksheet level. So let me use this option. This is workbook, and this is like a worksheet level. I'm going to select this like sheet level. Now let's add this. Okay, and here I'm going to use this like a change parameter options, and so let me select this the run action on. And we have only one sheet, so that is the reason it is not showing any other like a sheets itself. And now the target like a parameter nothing but like subcategory. Now the source field, it is already there in our sheets, that is the reason I'm going to select subcategory. Now these are like a most important thing, option here. So once it is hover or select or menu, and so in the later videos definitely I'll explain all these like options. And here the clearing the selection will. So generally this is so if you click on any one of the data points, generally it will highlight it, that is like a last clicked data value itself only. But if you want to reset, set to the default like a value. And what I'm going to do is, right, you can go to this like a option set a value to. So let's keep this all, and let's keep this like a all here. And this, select like a click on OK. But the primary thing is so you do not have that like a all in our parameter. So with, so you should, I mean, like you should have that, I mean, like the all, then only you can set, I mean, some default, I mean, value in the parameters. So what I'm going to do is, right, let me create this one more, I mean, like a additional value here. Okay, so anyway, we have clear, I mean, selected this when workbook opens, right? In the same time, let me change this option and then use this, I mean, option all. Okay, click. Now the parameter is already enabled, and so let me showcase, something here. So instead of here, let's bring this, I mean, like a parameter, and parameter is subcategory. Yeah, parameter is subcategory, and here you can write down this, I mean, like text wise sales. Now just apply and then click on OK. Now see this, I mean, like a magic. Okay, if you click on this, I mean, like so I can see the whatever, I mean, like data point I highlighted, right? Same, I mean, like a data point is, I mean, coming on this, I mean, like on the text itself only. So, and if you clear, it will come always, I mean, like a sales all, because we are not selected any data point, so that is the reason it is giving me like all only. But if you select any one of these, I mean, like a data point, it shows, I mean, that related text on the, I mean, that related, I mean, like data point on the text itself only. So I hope you guys are, I mean, enjoyed this, I mean, like a video, and so see you in the next video. Thanks.